installing a set of these year one seat relocation brackets. They're going on the seats, well, the driver's seat only, on a 69 Dodge Charger. I looked at these brackets. They give them to you with basically a flat plate and 4 little short screws. Now, how I decided to install these is using a longer fine threaded bolt. That's going to go down through the floor of the car and nut underneath the bottom. And I used a carriage bolt just pressed into the bracket. And the carriage bolt, as you can see, is going down into the seat with the seat spacer, this little donut factory part, going down. And now this is going to go down through the floor and hold the seat in place. This carriage bolt just gets nutted on the other side and secured to the seat. Now we have a pretty flat surface here, flat enough going over the carpet. The head of this carriage bolt won't really make a difference. I really didn't have too many ideas on how to install these, and I already had everything together when I decided to make the video. You do have to press this stud out of the seat track. I couldn't come up with a way of using this stud and still having the bracket sit fairly flush to the floor. So I pressed those out and pressed in these carriage bolts with the spacer, and that's how they're going to bolt in. It's going to work really well. It took me a little bit of time to figure out which way I wanted to go. Hopefully whoever's watching this can save a little bit of time if you want to do it this way. Hope this helps, and talk to you next time.